Welcome to Hubbards Journey, and we have breaking news on the Carnival Mardi Gras. As Tropical Storm Melissa has rapidly intensified, what began as a tropical storm has now become a Category 5 hurricane, one of the strongest hurricanes in the Atlantic this season. It's about to slam into Jamaica and move north. We're currently sailing westbound on the Carnival Mardi Gras towards Celebration Key in the Bahamas. For much of the week, the talk on the ship has been the Carnival Mardi Gras coming into direct contact with Hurricane Melissa. Guests have been keeping a close eye on the weather updates and hurricane tracking maps, which at one point appeared to show our route brushing close to the storm's path. You could feel the mix of curiosity and concern in the air. A little buzz of uncertainty in conversations at bars, at the pool decks, even in the elevators. Is the Carnival Mardi Gras going to hit Hurricane Melissa? Or is Hurricane Melissa gonna hit the Mardi Gras? Just moments ago, the captain made an announcement, a very important announcement. Listen to his own words.
Oh, here we go.
And I'd like to provide some information about our sailing and weather conditions.
You will be happy to know that Hurricane Melissa is not going to affect our journey to Celebration Key. Weather forecast for tomorrow is partly cloudy.
That is amazing. It's been the buzz, and I think the buzz has been calmed down. We'll continue to monitor updates. As for now, the Mardi Gras remains on schedule for our next port of call, the new Celebration Key in the Bahamas. And this is where I say ciao for now.
Thanks for watching, but there's more to explore.
And don't forget to hit that subscribe button
So you never miss any adventures.
Click on one of these videos to keep the journey going.
And this is where I say ciao for now.
We'll see you soon.